I am going to show you how to make hot and spicy fried chicken just like this. Last time I showed you how to make the original fried chicken. You can click on the link in the top right to view that video. With that out of the way, let's go. We will begin with our freshly cut up chicken legs and a thigh, which have already been washed with lime and vinegar. This takes away that overwhelming rawness of the chicken. In order for your chicken to have flavor all throughout and not just on the skin of your chicken, you need to marinate it. For my marination, I am using green seasoning, which is a blend of onions, pepper, scallions, thyme, garlic, ginger, and a little vinegar. For the dry seasoning, I am adding chicken seasoning, paprika, and a hot and spicy seasoning blend. From here, you need to rub everything together and make sure that the chicken is seasoned well. Right after you're done with that, go and wash your hands properly. Then cover your dish with plastic wrap and place it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Once your chicken is done marinating and you are ready to start cooking, I will go ahead and make my wet and dry mixture for the coating of the chicken. The wet mixture is made with an egg and milk. In this case, I am using coconut milk. I am also going to add some paprika to the wet mixture. The dry mixture though is made with flour, cornstarch, salt, and chili pepper flakes. And finally, some of that hot and spicy seasoning blend that I used to season up the chicken earlier. Now it's time to coat the chicken, and this is the most important part. This is the part that will give your chicken that hot and spicy look. First, you need to do a light coating in the dry mixture. Then you need to submerge your chicken in the wet mixture and take it out, draining off the excess liquid. And then back into the dry mixture it goes, but this time you want to press the mixture down onto the chicken before shaking off the excess. Honestly, the actual frying is not difficult. Place your frying pan with oil on the stove at about medium heat and then add your chicken pieces, ensuring that you do not overcrowd the pot. The oil in the pot should be at least half the thickness of your chicken if you're doing shallow frying, or if it's a deep fryer, then just follow the safety precautions for the type of pot that you have. But essentially the oil would cover the chicken in that case, right? Now, because these are legs and thighs, they will take about 18 minutes to be fully cooked, depending on how big they are. So it's like 15 to 18 minutes. If you're also doing breast, then the breast will take about 13 to 15 minutes to be completely cooked. After about 9 minutes or half the cooking time, you need to check on your chicken and turn them and then let it finish cooking. Once you're done, set your chicken on a cooling rack so that the excess oil can be drained off and let it rest for about half an hour. Once that is done, you are ready to eat, and as a bonus, you can add some hot honey sauce to your chicken. This will give it a little extra kick. Thank you very much for watching. Please like this video and leave your comments below, and I'll see you on the next one.